All right. So before the winter, we got this new driveway patio thing. And now, after the winter, it's still cold and freezing out here. We're going to take a look at a few things. So, one of them is like this crack here. Look at this, it goes all the way. I wanted to show you the crack, and this dog is just standing on it. Here, hop, hop, move it. So the crack goes all the way here, all the way here, ends there. And then it continues over there, goes down the driveway to the next block. All right, let's take a quick look here at the gate. And we can see on top here it's splitting apart. So it looks like the post there is going over that way. Or the post there is going over that way. Now, well, so before the winter, I 3D printed this foot here so that I can close the gate in here, you know, and lock those things in. Here, this. And believe it or not, it fit in the hole. Right? So I measured it and had it work in there. But as you can see, the gate moved by this much over this way. So the whole gate moved. How can the gate move? Look at that. So how can this gate move over there? This is concreted in a concrete block underneath, like, you know, how you put those fence posts in. And the same there. Also, the gate here, the space underneath here, was the same as here. It was like this far up. So now, over here, there was no space. It was like flush, scratched on there. I had to take it off, and I had to move the hinges up by this much. You see, there's like one finger. Like where this came up. So the whole concrete slab came up by 1/2 inch over here. This whole area moved up. And who knows when the ice melts, if this all is going down again. So it didn't crack here, just here. It cracked here, but that came up. So then why is the crack like this? I don't understand completely. And then over there was no car parked. You can, you know, if you can see here, where it goes along there. Yeah, I don't know. And then other than that, there's basically no further cracks. I think there was one more over here, but I'm not sure where exactly it was. Here it's a little way up here, but I think, no, that was the only cracks so far from what I can see. I don't know if there will be more sooner or later, but it is like really weird that that area here came up. It's nuts. That up, or here, maybe this went down. You can see here too, this almost doesn't fit anymore. It's getting squished. It was further up, so this one is going down. And I don't know how that happened. It's the whole ground here shifting around. It's crazy.